Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Prestige PKOSS 1.5 RED Electric Kettle. This is a 1.5 liter electric kettle and the color of this particular electric kettle is red. It's made in India and it's also certified by, it's actually a TTK product, so that's a great addition. This is a TTK product that is written over here, and it also comes with, it's also branded India's #1 kitchen appliance brand. On this side you have some features. It comes with elegant handle with single touch lid locking, automatic cutoff when water has boiled, concealed element and it's easy to clean. There's a power indicator as well, and also has a 360-degree swivel base. I'm going to open this box and show you what this kettle looks like now. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. This is the user manual for the PKOSS 1.5 RED. And this is the swivel base. So it's a 360-degree swivel base. You can put it on like this and then rotate it full 360 degrees if required. Not just that, you will notice this particular groove underneath. So when you want to carry it around, you can just put the wire like this, obviously after untying the entire thing. Over here, this is what the PKOSS RED Prestige electric kettle looks like. This is a 1.5 liter electric kettle. It comes with this nice hot pink and metallic chrome combination. This is the single touch lid. So this is a single touch lid locking that this particular kettle comes with, and this is the power on off button. So once you fill it with water, you connect it to a power outlet and you turn it on. Once water gets heated, this will switch off automatically. And there's also a power indicator over here that will tell you whether the water is getting heated or not. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Prestige PKOSS 1.5 RED electric kettle. Thank you for watching.